guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. This is Avneet Talwar this side. Today I have bought a makeup review kind of a video for you. आज जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किया है इट इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड नोन एज इनसाइट एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर कि यू आर वेरी फेमिलियर विद दिस ब्रांड एंड आई हैड माई आईज ऑन दिस ब्रांड फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम्स एंड मैंने इनके काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए थे. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट टू डू एन एंटायर वीडियो where I'm using only Inside ka brand and I'm gonna do the makeup. So this entire makeup look is achieved by using all the products from Inside ka brand. And without wasting any further time, let's move ahead. Let's get started. So to begin with, I used the lip balm which was in the mint flavor and it just gave me a little tingling effect, though it did not plump my lips but definitely एक हल्का सा tingling effect था. I believe that it's a very decent lip balm. Next off, I used the Pore Minimizer Primer and let me tell you one thing that the packaging of it resembles a lot to that of Benefit Ka primer. It did smooth out my skin and reduced my pore and I really like this primer. I always start my makeup with shaping my eyebrows, so I use this eyebrow palette which has 3 shades and it comes with a brush with angular brush on one side and a spoolie to shape up the eyebrows before filling it in on the other side. Overall, I found this a very decent product, though it was a little chalky but nothing that fell off or had a fallout. नेक्स्ट ऑफ आई वॉन्टेड टू अप्लाई आई शेडो एंड सैडली ये आई शेडो ऐसे ही टूटा हुआ आया था बट एनी विच वेज आई हैड टू कंटिन्यू द वीडियो सो देयर वॉज नो स्टॉपिंग. I started off with applying a deep brown color on the outer corner of my eyes and it was a little chalky and to blend it was very difficult. Then I went ahead with a shimmer color just to add that pop and shine, and let me tell you one thing that blending these eyeshadows was really very difficult for me both the times. For eyeliner, I saw 2 options available and the products looked really very intriguing. So I thought to purchase both of the eyeliners. So on the one eye, I was applying this liquid eyeliner which comes in a small bottle and the pigment was really very good. I did not have to struggle and filling on the eyeliner was really very easy. But on the other hand, when I was using this pen eyeliner, it was something which took a really long time to apply at first, and eventually when I was trying to fill in, it became more of a task and I was really struggling with it. So when it comes to eyeliner, a big thumbs up for the first one, and the second one, it's a no for my end. Moving forward with the mascara, I was really very interested with the packaging because unlike any other mascara that I have seen, it comes with a brush to shape my eyelashes, and while I was applying it, I found out that it actually did give a length to my mascara but not a volume. So overall, I think it's a very decent mascara and it's definitely a thumbs up from my end. One of the products which caught my attention from the very beginning was their color corrector palette because it resembles so much like that of MAC ka color corrector palette, and I was very fascinated with this and I knew the moment that I laid my eyes that I had to try this product. Now I'm using a shade of deep orange because I think it will match perfectly with my skin tone, and let me tell you one thing that the quality of this product is at par. It blends out like a dream and it gives a brilliant coverage. So I'm pretty happy with the color palette and I highly recommend it. Next off, for concealer, I unfortunately chose a very wrong shade. It made my skin look very orangey, and in addition to that, the concealer was a very thick one as compared to the other concealers that I have, but it does give a very nice coverage. Eventually it settles down if you use a compact powder, but yeah, it's a thick one. But if you're someone who is looking for a concealer, or if you're a newbie and you're looking for a budget friendly concealer with a great coverage, maybe you should give this a try. For foundation, I went ahead with this HD foundation and it claims it to be a very high coverage foundation and a dewy one. Well, it is not exactly a high coverage foundation. You have to build it up and it's not very dewy unlike other dewy foundations that I have. ये बस हल्का सा एक dewy effect दे देता है. Now, unfortunately, I was ordering online and I missed out on the right shade and it was very light for me. but I happened to give it to my sister for a wedding, and she really liked it. And surprisingly, it matched her skin shade, and she rated it a thumbs up. So for me, it did not work out, but since my sister liked it, I will suggest that maybe you can give this foundation a try. For contouring, I went ahead with the same color corrector palette and I used this deep brown shade and I concealed the hell out of my face because first off, I just loved using this product and I just loved playing around with it. And this one product is something I don't think that I will stop recommending it because it is a very, very nice product. Now, since summers are here, blushes are mandated, and that is something I want to inculcate in my makeup kit. So, I went ahead with this cream blush, and oh my god, the shade match was so perfect and it blended like a dream. To be really honest with you guys, I'm not a big highlighter girl, but since I was doing all the products, I went ahead and purchased this highlighter. Honestly, really not a big fan of this particular product. It's an average product. I think they could have done much better things around this product, especially this particular highlighter. So, I will not recommend this to you guys. When talking about setting powders, I actually got two of them. One is in the shade Ghost. I used this to bake my face, and the other one is a banana powder. I just used it to set up overall, and I absolutely love these two products and I highly recommend it because the quality is really nice and you actually get a very premium quality at a very budget friendly rate. For lipsticks, I went all in and I purchased at around 3 lipstick. One was a liquid matte lipstick, one was a bullet matte lipstick, and one was a lip liner slash pencil. So to begin with, I used this liquid matte lipstick, which was in a very brownish shade, and it has vitamin E oil. Initially, when you apply it, it doesn't mattify it immediately. Give it a minute or two, it will settle down, and the pigment is like really nice. And I absolutely love the brown shade, and I see myself wearing it for a very long time. For the next brown shade, this has become my everyday go to lipstick. I apply it almost every other single day, and ये आधी ट्यूब हो चुकी है. This shade has actually matched my skin tone perfectly, and I just cannot stop applying it. So when I was applying lipstick from this particular product, what happened at the first go was that I was not able to apply it. And then I tried it the second and the third time. So it went smooth eventually. But off camera, when I applied it again, the pencil broke. And then later I couldn't use this product. So it was really very disappointing. And the last product that I use is a setting spray. Unlike the one with Swiss Beauty, this doesn't have any fragrance and it doesn't sting my eyes. I don't know, for some reason the Swiss Beauty wala setting spray really stings it. But yeah, this actually helps me to intact all the makeup and it helps the makeup last a little longer. So these were my thoughts and reviews on these particular products. Let me know in the comment section down below कि आपका favorite product कौन सा था. Now क्योंकि मैंने सारे products online मंगाए थे तो shades में थोड़ा here and there हो गया है, but I'm sure you might have got an idea about the quality of the product. I am pretty much impressed with this brand. Let me know your thoughts, and hey, even let me know which other brands you want me to try out. And for more such content, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and hello, will you please hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video you are notified. And I will see you next time soon. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.